Well, hello, our people is. Okay, so here's Zeke's birthday dinner. It's different this year. It will be given to him on Saturday. He gets pretty much of a gorge meal on his birthday, but there's 6 chicken feet for candles. For his year, he's 6 years old. There's an egg, a whole raw egg, some different types of yogurt. Yes, flavored yogurt. He only gets that once a year. Some deer meat, some eggshell that has been crushed, some turkey. Ground turkey is underneath the yogurt, and there's some liver underneath this heart, or whatever this is. Heart is actually interesting. It's not just a muscle, it's also an organ. So that takes care of some organ meat too. So he's getting quite an interesting meal for his birthday on Saturday, on Shabbat. So that will be set in the freezer up here. Freezer in the lowest shelf inside there. And stored until Saturday. But I had to thaw it somewhat so I could get it set up enough to create this funny looking dish for him. Yeah, I do that every year for my dogs. They are soft diet fed. This is 100% raw, meaty bone stuff. So, yep. Bon appetit on Saturday, Mr. Zeke. 6 years old. Amazing. Wow. Alright, well, later, y'all.